snow. It's a chemical snow in this cup, and Kyrie is messing over there. What will happen if we add the chemical snow to the purple mess? You excited?
Yes.
Yes, let's do it. Whoa, that is so purpley. Do you want to join in? Are you joining in? No? Purple snow.
Yeah.
It looks like yuck. I think it does. It's so yucky.
So we can do magic.
We can't do magic anymore, but we can put it back. This is so weird.
If we put the snow back, then we'll have some
Water on. I don't know what's going to happen.
There's no snow.
And now we're washing it away, right? It's gone.
Yeah.
Is that fine?
That's
Okay,
cool.
no one is upset? Okay, that's
I'm
cool.
fine. We're cool.
Ooh, oh, Megalodon! Are you jumping in the purple muck and mire? No, Alexei, again into this. Is it freezing? No, it's nothing is happening to it. Use your hands. Right. So weird. So weird. Skull Crusher joins this jam, muddy jam.
Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Oh no! Let it jump in this bucket of purple muck. That's so weird. What's going on? More magic.
I wash you up. I wash you up.